Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can send out current Steam balance, so simply money from your balance to a friend's balance on Steam. Now, it's a very easy process. I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is hop onto your Steam application and from there find your friend code. Now, the friend code is the code that your friend needs to send to you before you can add them. Now, if you already have the friend which you want to send money to in your friend list, we're going to the next option. Now, the next step is simply by going to the store, and from there you go to the search bar. Now, here you type in gift card, and as you can see here we have the Steam gift cards. Now, as you can see here, you can send it via Steam. Simply send a digital Steam gift card. Now, select a amount of money you wish to transfer. From there, what you want to do is you want to select your friend's name, and if you have the Steam balance available, it will automatically send the gift card towards your friend, which they can open. Now, let's say you don't have the money ready. You need to first fill up your balance, of course. Now, here simply choose a random friend, here continue, choose the name of the recipient, a gift message, and your signature, which is your name. Now, from there, the gift card and the money, the balance, will be sent to your friend on Steam. It's a very easy process. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.